Well, the political tussle in Rajasthan getting dirty as war of words intensifies between the Congress and the BJP over the audio tapes. After BJP accused Gehlot government in Rajasthan of tapping these phones, Congress said the BJP was rattled because it had been exposed. Remember, the Congress has been accusing the Bharatiya Janata Party of trying to poach Congress MLAs in Rajasthan. Not stopping there, Congress has even alleged that BJP government has been trying to thwart a probe into this matter. BJP has rubbished the charges as failure of the Congress's high command and demanded a CBI probe into the allegations. Remember, the war of words erupted a day after Congress released 3 audio clips and transcripts of what it alleges to be a conversation of a deal making between rebel MLAs and the BJP.
भाजपा पूछ रही है, क्या फोन टेपिंग किया गया? Assuming that you have taped phones, the question is, प्रश्न है कि was the standard operating procedure followed? We demand a probe into this saga of illegalities and concocted lies by CBI. Is it not a situation of an emergency in Rajasthan?
Over the last week, 10 days, the daylight murder of democracy being attempted by the BJP. The BJP held a press conference in the morning in which it openly admitted its role in the murder of democracy in Rajasthan. They are not worried about the fact that they got caught red-handed. They are worried about the fact that why did they get caught? What is the reason that Mr. Sachin Pilot trusts the Haryana police more than the Rajasthan police?
Now, in what comes as an embarrassment to the BJP, Rajasthan state leader Kailash Megwal has hit out at his own party leaders for compromising with an elected government.
मेघवाल साहब, आपने एक बयान भी जारी किया कि साजिश नहीं करनी चाहिए।
राजस्थान की राजनीति आज पटरी से उतरी हुई है और आज की राजनीति जिस रंग से हो रही है वो अनैतिक मूल्यों की हो रही है। चुनी हुई किसी भी सरकार को अनावश्यक रूप से अनडेमोक्रेटिक तरीकों से हटाना मैं राजनीतिक दृष्टि से उचित नहीं समझता व राजनीतिक नैतिकता नहीं है। वसुंधरा राजे राजस्थान की वरिष्ठतम राजनीतिक व्यक्तित्व है और वरिष्ठतम राजनीतिक व्यक्तित्व से भारतीय जनता पार्टी को आज राष्ट्रीय उपाध्यक्ष भी है, राय लेनी चाहिए, उनसे हमेशा राय मशविरा करना चाहिए। ये आज की आवश्यकता है।
Meanwhile, Congress Rajasthan MLA Raghu Sharma has said that the BJP is holding the 19 MLAs hostage.
ये जो होटल है हमारी फेयर माउंट, इससे जैसे ही विधायकों को खुला करेंगे हमारे बाड़े में आ जाएंगे। आपको चुनौती है मेरी, आप अपने 19 विधायकों को फ्री कर दो। उनमें से कितने इधर कांग्रेस कैंप में छटपटा रहे हैं वापस आने के लिए। आज उनको मालूम है मेरे क्षेत्र में जाऊंगा और मुझे क्षेत्र की जनता ही इस रूप में देखेगी कि मेरा विधायक 35 करोड़ में बिका हुआ है। वो कौन सी इमेज लेके जाएंगे? ये लोकतंत्र में चलेगा नहीं।
Now, Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot seems to be walking on a tightrope. The Income Tax Department has seized about 12 crore rupees cash after it conducted searches at the premises of 3 Rajasthan-based groups early this week on charges of tax evasion. The IT sleuths also have recovered jewellery worth about 1.5 crore rupees after it almost completed the searches that covered 43 premises in Delhi, Mumbai, Jaipur and Kota. At least 5 crore cash out of the total was recovered from a locker in Mumbai, while prohibitory orders have been issued in about a dozen such bank accounts in 4 cities. Now, why is the Chief Minister in the dock? Because these are close aides of Ashok Gehlot who have been called in for questioning by the Income Tax Department. This after sleuths discovered huge amount of unaccounted cash, jewellery and investment in cash in immovable properties from them.